The common crane, around 120 centimeters. Grey cranes found in water in flocks are likely to be one of this or the next species, that is the demoiselle crane, both being migratory. The sight of a large flock in flight is most impressive, being enhanced by the loud, resonant trumpeting calls. Found on flooded meadows or jheels, cranes are constantly on the alert and feed mostly in the mornings and evenings on crops where they can do much damage. They visit the plains countries of northern India and between October and March.